Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the route preference in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the three lines on the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the trip plan button, and here you can choose whether you want your routes based on by the fewest transfers, or the least walking, or just the route that is the most accessible to you. So I will just choose the least walking, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.